Hello user, a very warm welcome to you. I am Ansingal, welcoming you to my channel. On a special request, I am here with a new Python project named J.A.R.V.I.S by me. So guys, J.A.R.V.I.S is a basic CUI based personal assistant developed in Python. In this video, we will getting a overview of J.A.R.V.I.S. As you can see, I have code window opened in my desktop. So without wasting time, let's start. Here it's the code, and you can see there are many functions, say which will give audio output, which will wish good morning, good afternoon, or good evening according to the time when you open J.A.R.V.I.S, and listen, which will take audio input, and many more functions like YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, and others. So guys, these will be opening websites. This is for reply for hello or hi, and this is searching something on Wikipedia, and sending a WhatsApp message, or if it does not recognize anything, then it will search that on Google. So let's check it. Here I'm running the code. Let's open YouTube.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Open YouTube, please. It will open
Opening
YouTube.
YouTube.
As you can see guys, it opened the youtube.com in a new tab on my Google Chrome. This was the YouTube function of my J.A.R.V.I.S. Let's check another functions. So let's start. Here the code window again, run the code.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Open Amazon.
Opening Amazon.
So guys, this will open amazon.com. Here you can see it, it's opening the amazon.com in new tab. Here it is opened. So guys, this was the Amazon function of my J.A.R.V.I.S. Let's check another function. Here we go. This is code window again. Run it. Run the code.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
I want to search anything on Google.
Opening Google.
So guys, here is google.com opened in my new tab. Hope you can see it. So this was the Google function of my J.A.R.V.I.S, and it will open different sites like Amazon, Flipkart, and many more like Facebook and Instagram. So let's check another functions like hello or hi reply and Wikipedia. Run the code. I selected it.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Hello.
Hello there. Now tell me some work.
Okay, that's a baddest reply. Run the code.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Search Salman Khan on Wikipedia.
Search Salman Khan on Wikipedia.
Whereas this will search Salman Khan on Wikipedia and tell us the answer.
Here are the results.
Let's see
Abdul
the
Rashid
results.
Salim Salman Khan, pronounced Selmamik Khan, listen, 27th December 1965, is an Indian actor, producer, singer, painter and television personality who works in Hindi films. In a film career spanning over 30 years,
Okay,
Khan
then
has received numerous awards.
we don't want to listen about him.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ansh Singhal. How may I help you?
Can you send a WhatsApp message, please?
Tell number you want to send message adding country code.
919119082963.
Enter your message.
Hello there. It will send a message to me in 8 seconds. Let's check. Wait for 8 seconds. Here WhatsApp web is open, and it's my WhatsApp. Let's check it. Yeah, as you can see, the message is sent. So as this was the WhatsApp function of my J.A.R.V.I.S. As there is another function also in my J.A.R.V.I.S. If it doesn't recognize any command, then it will search that thing on Google. So let's check it. Run the code.
Good evening. Hello user. I am J.A.R.V.I.S developed by Ernst Single. How may I help you?
What is Python?
Searching what is Python on Google.
As you can see here, the page is open. So as it search what is Python on Google, this was the Google function of my J.A.R.V.I.S, and hope you enjoyed it. And from now I'll be explaining how to make J.A.R.V.I.S in different videos in this playlist. So access this playlist now and save it somewhere you would not forget it. Let's go. Bye. Thank you.